In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your finances and budgets in ClickUp. Whether you're managing household bills, personal savings goals, or team expenses, we'll build a clean, simple system that's easy to maintain and quick to review. We'll start by creating a dedicated home for your money management. Open Spaces, click the option to add a new one, and name it Finance, then create the space. Think of a space like a container for everything related to a topic. Keeping finances in their own space reduces clutter, keeps permissions and notifications focused, and makes it easy to find exactly what you need. Inside your new finance space, create lists to separate what you're tracking. Add a list and name it Monthly Budget if you're planning upcoming spending, or Expenses if you're logging what you actually pay. Lists work like chapters in a book, so you can keep planning and tracking neatly separated. Clear, consistent names will help you stay organized as your setup grows. Now add tasks for each item you track. Create a task, type the item name, and press Enter. Treat each task like a line item in your budget. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, subscriptions, and so on. Keeping items as tasks lets you open them to store notes like billing cycles, useful links, or quick reminders. If you know your typical amounts or due periods, add the tasks now so your system reflects your real budget categories. Next, capture the numbers that matter with custom fields. Open Custom Fields, add a new field, and choose Number. Use this to store the amount you plan to spend or the amount actually paid. Custom fields turn your tasks into structured data so you can sort, compare, and scan for outliers. They're also helpful for keeping a single source of truth. You can use fields to reflect due dates or payment status, so it's obvious what's coming up and what's already handled. Finally, track everything at a glance using views. Switch to Table View to see a spreadsheet-style layout with your amounts and items side by side. This is perfect for sorting by cost, filtering to see only certain categories, and spotting totals. Or jump into Board View to visualize items in columns such as pending, paid, or overdue. Views help you focus on what matters today while keeping the full picture just a click away. That's the core workflow. A finance space, lists for budgets or expenses, tasks for each item, details in custom fields, and clear tracking with table or board views. And that's how you organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.